All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Power Cookie Challenge from picoCTF 2022. It's a medium level challenge from the web app hacking category with the cookie tag. The description says, "Can you get the flag?" Additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. So this is one of those challenges where you need to launch your own challenge instance. All right, so we just click on the launch instance button over here. That's going to start the virtual machine that has the website. So after that's done, you're going to see this countdown. So you got about 15 minutes to solve the challenge. So go to this website and see what you can discover. So let me copy that link. Okay, and then we see here that there's a very simple web page. It says online gradebook, and we got a button that says continue as guest. So if we continue as guest, what we're doing is we're getting a user session for the application, or at least that's what usually happens. So what happens here is we're going to get assigned a cookie that gives us access to the application. All right, so let's talk about what these cookies are exactly. All right, so picoCTF 2022 Power Cookie. So in this web app, we're allowed to continue as guest, typically after logging into an application. The browser is given a session cookie. So what are these session cookies? So we're talking about HTTP cookies and the HTTP cookie header. HTTP cookies are commonly used as a security mechanism that allows users to maintain an authenticated user session on a website. In short, HTTP cookies allow users to log in to websites. So, but since cookie values can be modified by the user, proper care should be taken to ensure that valid cookie values are not predictable or easily guessed. So we're talking about cookies. Let's go ahead and take a look here. So inside of your web browser, you can actually take a look at the cookies for any particular websites that you're using. So you can go over to, I'm using Firefox right now, but the process is pretty similar for Google Chrome and other web browsers. You go over to the right-hand side of the screen, and then there's going to be a menu. You can open it up. I'm going to go over to More Tools, and then Web Developer Tools. After that, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs up here. So these are different little tools in the Web Developer Tools. We want to access the storage. So click on Storage, and then click on Cookies, and there's going to be cookies for this particular website. So the website here, there's only one cookie. So the name of the cookie is called isAdmin, and its value is equal to 0. So this is what we were talking about, where we were talking about cookies shouldn't be easily guessed. And if you got a value of 0 for isAdmin, you would only assume that changing it to 1 will give you a different result. So in programming, 0 equals false and 1 equals true. If we change isAdmin to 1 and then reload the page, we get the flag. So picoCTF grade A cookie and then something random. So this random part right here makes it so that you can't submit this cookie for yourself. This is personalized to my account. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to go over to picoCTF, and I would submit the cookie right now to complete the challenge, but when I do that, the challenge is going to shut off. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to show you how to solve this challenge using curl. So if I go over here and I use curl to access this website. Okay, please visit our page, our homepage, and continue as guest. So what we're going to do here is we're going to supply a cookie. Okay, so what we can do is we can supply our own cookie with curl. So we do -b, and then we supply the cookie value. So the cookie in this case is admin, and we're going to make it 1. So this is going to give us our, well, let me show you what it does if we give it isAdmin equals 0. So it says, we apologize, but we have no guest services at the moment. That's because the cookie is the incorrect value. So if we change this from 0 to 1 and do the same thing, then we get the flag. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish the challenge. Click on Submit Flag, and you're finished. All right, everybody, this was a guided walkthrough for the Power Cookie Challenge over at picoCTF.org as part of the picoCTF 2022 event. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out!
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.